Welcome to Exodus versus Electrum. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two popular crypto wallets by diving into their features, target audiences, and key differences to help you make an informed decision. Exodus Wallet is a user-friendly, visually polished wallet designed for beginners and casual crypto users. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, providing a broad scope for diversification. Exodus excels in its integrated portfolio tracker and built-in exchange, which lets users swap assets seamlessly without leaving the wallet. Available on desktop, mobile, and as a browser extension, Exodus emphasizes simplicity and accessibility. Its non-custodial nature ensures you retain full control of your private keys. However, Exodus does not offer advanced Bitcoin-specific features, which might limit its appeal to hardcore Bitcoin enthusiasts or users looking for advanced transaction customizations. Electrum Wallet, on the other hand, is a specialized wallet built exclusively for Bitcoin users. Known for its lightweight and fast setup, Electrum offers advanced features like custom transaction fees, multi-signature wallets, and hardware wallet integration. Electrum is ideal for users who prioritize security and functionality, such as setting up cold storage or using hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallet capabilities. It's highly customizable, but its interface is minimalistic, catering to users comfortable with technical details. While Electrum lacks support for other cryptocurrencies and doesn't offer features like built-in swapping or portfolio tracking, it's perfect for Bitcoin purists and those looking for advanced Bitcoin-specific tools. In summary, Exodus is the better choice for users seeking a versatile, easy-to-use wallet for managing multiple cryptocurrencies and tracking their portfolio. Meanwhile, Electrum is the go-to wallet for Bitcoin maximalists who need advanced features and heightened security. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize multi-asset support and user-friendliness, Exodus, or advanced Bitcoin functionality and a lightweight experience, Electrum. Check out the links in the description to explore both wallets and find the one that best suits your crypto needs.